Around the world, miracles happen every corner, from winding roads to vast fields and towering construction sites. Our sense of wonder is sparked when we observe heavy machines crafted by human hands, successfully completing tasks once considered impossible. In contemporary agricultural practices, particularly on expansive farms approaching 1,000 acres, the 72 SM series, encompassing both tractors and tillers, plays an indispensable role. The SM Fab Lister, a standout model in the series, is engineered with a potent engine and a robust, wide-wheel traction system, specifically tailored to navigate and operate effectively on challenging terrains. The deployment of these advanced machines notably elevates productivity levels while the concurrently diminishing labor intensity traditionally associated with large-scale agricultural operations. This advanced peanut harvester, hailing from one of the global leaders in agricultural technology, designed to autonomously harvest and sift peanuts directly in the field. It is complemented by an accompanying buggy equipped with a storage container for the processed peanuts. The machine's nozzle functions like a highly efficient conveyor belt, meticulously transferring the peanuts to the vehicle's storage area. The integration of such cutting-edge machinery and tools transforms the task of harvesting peanuts over a vast 500-hectare area into a streamlined and rapid process. The Caterpillar 6015B excavator stands as a titan of engineering, embodying unmatched power and performance in the realms of mining and construction. Renowned for its formidable strength, the 6015B is akin to a mechanical leviathan, excelling in tasks of excavation and the lifting of substantial weight. It finds its prime utilization in mining operations, where its robust energy is indispensable for the extraction and transportation of heavy. In a striking display of its capabilities, the Caterpillar 6015B is often seen performing the Herculean task of lifting the Caterpillar 775E wheel loader, itself a colossal. This pairing showcases an exemplary synergy and efficiency between the excavator and loader, serving as a vivid testament to the way technological advancements and machinery are propelling the mining and construction industries towards new frontiers of capability and efficiency. The RS400 over US represents a pinnacle in snowplow engineering, specifically tailored for the meticulous upkeep of ski resorts and similar high-altitude leisure destinations. This advanced machine is adept at swiftly and efficiently clearing snow, even on the most challenging and rugged terrains. A key feature of the RS400 over US is its array of rotating blades, ingeniously mounted on the vehicle's body. These blades provide exceptional control, allowing for precise adjustments in direction, speed, and the volume of snow being dispersed, either to the left or right. Indeed, the German-made tractor with an 1100 GP capacity stands as a marvel of agricultural machinery. This machine exemplifies versatility with its array of interchangeable components, adeptly suited for a variety of critical agricultural tasks, including tilling, sowing, and harvesting. A particularly awe-inspiring application of this machinery is seen in the vast fields of Saxony-Anhalt, where the planting of corn is transformed into a captivating spectacle. Utilizing the 14-meter wide, 29-row water stud tempo for this process, the machine elegantly and efficiently sows the fields, showcasing the pinnacle of large-scale agricultural innovation in Germany. The John Deere 7530, produced by the American manufacturer John Deere from 2006 to 2011, is a medium-sized tractor equipped with a 6-cylinder diesel engine delivering up to 180 horsepower. It features a robust full-frame design, an independent link suspension system, and an advanced command view cabin for enhanced control. In 2016, Belgian farmers notably utilized the 7530 outfitted with specialized attachments like onion harvesters to expedite garlic harvesting and field clearing operations in a Belgian village, demonstrating its efficiency and adaptability in agricultural tasks. In the Netherlands, the Ace Olive 1000 cabbage harvester stands out as a specialized agricultural machine designed for efficient cabbage harvesting. It boasts an automatic cabbage head cutting system and can process up to 1,000 kilograms of cabbage per hour. Additionally, the harvester is equipped with mechanisms for cleaning and classifying, effectively removing roots and leaves post-harvest. This feature allows the harvested cabbage to be market ready immediately after processing. The Amazon IDEX 6000 TSI, an automatic seed drill and fertilizer spreader, showcases remarkable advancements in agricultural technology. Its precision operation significantly enhances farming efficiency by automating both seeding and fertilizing processes. Compatible with various tractor models, including the New Holland T8 367, 270 Auto Command, and TG 285, this machine is a testament to the strides made in agricultural science and technology. Its ability to streamline and optimize these critical farming tasks not only boosts productivity, but also contributes to cost reduction in agriculture. The WR2400 soil stabilizer is a vital tool in road and infrastructure construction, enhancing the mixing and stabilization of soil layers. By incorporating materials like cement and lime, it significantly improves pavement durability and stability, expediting construction and elevating quality to meet growing demands in transport infrastructure. The CMG mobile crane stands out as a premier lifting solution in construction and transportation sectors. Renowned for its versatility and efficiency, its distinctive, flexible boom design and high mobility enable it to handle substantial loads across a broad operating range. This makes the CMG mobile crane an ideal choice for major construction and freight projects globally. The Caterpillar 990, a hallmark of the Caterpillar brand's commitment to excellence, blends exceptional power with operator safety and comfort. Its robust engine effortlessly handles heavy lifting tasks, while its design prioritizes optimal working conditions, ensuring a safe and productive environment. Far more than just an excavator, the Caterpillar 990 is a dependable ally in major construction endeavors. At the feed collection point, both the Case IH Magnum 340 tractor and the Volvo L70 freeloader were functioning at their peak. The Magnum 340, a standout in the Case IH Magnum series, is equipped with a turbocharged, cooled engine and a full-time four-wheel drive transmission. On the other hand, the Volvo L70 EV is part of Volvo Construction Equipment's wheel loader lineup. Utilizing these two powerful machines together significantly accelerates the feed collection process. Throughout our exploration of advanced machinery, we observed a proficient worker skillfully using a chainsaw to fell a large tree in the forest. This experience offers a glimpse into the precise technique and expertise required to safely and effectively bring down such a towering tree. Post-harvest, the selected wood is transported to factories and woodworking workshops, where it is transformed into intricate woodwork. Large logs are meticulously positioned on robust frames for precise cutting into smaller, workable sections. The splitters employed in this stage are filled with exceptionally sharp, high-quality blades, adept at splitting even the toughest centuries-old logs. The Komatsu PC2000 hydraulic excavator, a formidable machine weighing up to 200 tons, is designed specifically for large-scale mining operations. This powerhouse is capable of digging deep, lifting, and moving at a speed of 3.5 kilometers per hour, while rotating 360 degrees with substantial rock volumes. Encased within its robust iron exterior lies an engine of 1,046 horsepower. It is also equipped with a bucket that can hold 11.5 cubic meters, enabling it to handle large volumes of soil and rock efficiently. Tractors used in such scenarios, especially for rescuing heavy vehicles in harsh winter conditions, are typically robust and equipped with engines strong enough to handle significant loads. The chains on the wheels suggest it's adapted for snowy or icy conditions, enhancing traction. Do you know what the tractor's name is and what engine it is equipped with? The Shovel 996 stands as the epitome of mining prowess, boasting colossal dimensions tailor-made for the coal mining sector. This behemoth excels in both weight and strength, capable of excavating several tons of coal hourly. It's further enhanced by an advanced intelligent control system, streamlining mining operations for peak efficiency. Equipped with a formidable digging arm and robust construction, the Shovel 996 effortlessly breaches layers of soil and rock, ensuring reliable performance even in the most demanding conditions. The O&K RH120C, a versatile excavator, serves critical roles in mining and construction industry. Weighing between 114 to 120 tons, it is equipped with a robust digging attachment featuring a sizable bucket capacity ranging from approximately 6.5 to 8 cubic meters. Its diesel engines, varying from 720 to 870 horsepower, power its excavation operations with formidable efficiency. Dimensionally, the RH120C measures about 12 meters in length, 5 meters in width, and 7 meters in height, asserting its significant presence on work sites. Its well-equipped features enable rapid mining of various materials including earth, stone, and sand, showcasing its adaptability and effectiveness in diverse operational contexts. This giant machine is often used to drive and compress foundation piles deep into the ground. Pile drivers are specifically designed for the task of driving piles into the ground to support the foundations of buildings or other structures. Do you know the name of this machine and where it is manufactured? The P&H 2800 MQ, indeed a significant piece of mining equipment, is a product of P&H mining equipment. This large-scale machine is notable for its advanced operational capabilities, which include a coordinated control system for the cable. This system is powered by a robust 6-cylinder diesel engine boasting a maximum output of an impressive 2,500 horsepower. Such a high-power output is essential for its primary function in excavation. The P&H 2800 MQ excels in this role, capable of excavating up to 200 cubic meters of earth and rock per hour. The CAT 986K, a large wheel loader, is indeed an impressive piece of heavy machinery, especially noted for its 60-centimeter shoes that augment its operational power. Powered by a Caterpillar C18 Acert diesel engine, this machine boasts a significant horsepower of up to 541, which is quite formidable for heavy-duty tasks. The FDS 1560 mobile screening machine by Fabo Machinery, adeptly engineered for facile relocation to various work sites, incorporates a quartet of conveyor belts with a divergent screen, large, medium, and small. It employs a sophisticated shaking mechanism to efficiently segregate soil and stones during their transit along the conveyors. The Hitachi X1200, a formidable hydraulic excavator crafted by Hitachi Construction Machinery, epitomizes strength and excellence in heavy machinery. Boasting a robust build, formidable scooping capabilities, and high efficiency, this 120-ton behemoth is an industry standard for major mining operations. The T-Rex Shovel R170 stands among the world's largest excavators, engineered specifically for the excavation and relocation of massive soil and limestone blocks, each weighing hundreds of tons. The colossal machine boasts an upward-facing bucket, soaring to an impressive height of 22 meters and tipping the scales at approximately 500 tons, with the digging arm and bucket assembly alone weighing up to 80 tons. It is outfitted with state-of-the-art intelligent control systems and cutting-edge technology, ensuring both ease and safety in its operation. For those familiar with manually shaping field edges using a hoe, the AUC 352NJ presents a revolutionary alternative. Conceived by a Japanese farmer wary of labor-intensive embankment construction, this machine not only dismantles portions of a wall, but also adeptly reshapes them to match its design. Its adaptability is further enhanced by adjustable height and width features, making it a versatile tool in agricultural landscaping. Join me on a tour of the Czech Republic's mobile yard cattle breeding model an exemplar in professional livestock rearing that yields superior dairy and meat products. For successful breeding, it is crucial to provide the herd with a balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Additionally, the health of the Montpelier-bred cows is meticulously maintained through regular expert care and checkups, ensuring their optimal well-being. Presenting a crawler tractor specifically designed for wheat sowing, this machinery is outfitted with a robust crawler and an all-terrain engine, proficient in navigating through challenging conditions like mud and subsidence. It features an advanced tiller system with various chopping and tilling mechanisms, adeptly rendering the soil it traverses both porous and level, thereby optimizing the tillage process for wheat cultivation. The John Deere 6R, an industrial powerhouse with a 250 horsepower engine, excels in stone collection across the vast German fields. Manufactured by John Deere, this tractor is a linchpin in agricultural operations, adeptly transporting and pulling equipment like harvesters, plows, and dryers. It's equipped with advanced features that optimize performance and endure heavy loads of several tens of metric tons, enabling the Deere 6R to execute tasks swiftly and efficiently. The Kubota X080, with its commanding presence akin to a large crane, features a bucket equipped with a formidable rotating mechanism, adept at tackling substantial trees and dense forests. Its demolition operations are marked by a resonant, loud sound that disrupts the serene ambience of forested areas. The KMC 600 is engineered with an extendable boom that stretches up to 15 meters, enabling efficient access to high-rise structures below 20 meters in height. Outfitted with an array of demolition tools, including hydraulic hammers, drills, and grabs, it's capable of dismantling materials, even steel. The machinery significantly accelerates the demolition process for tall buildings and large structures. The Woodsman 440, a potent chipping device, excels in rapidly transforming wood into chips. It integrates sharp-cutting blades and a high-speed, rotating motor to exert a formidable cutting force, efficiently reducing logs into small pieces. Enhanced by a supporting crane, it facilitates effortless material feeding into the chipper, culminating in a swift and efficient wood processing operation. Sumitomo Sage 500, engineered by Sumitomo Construction Machinery in Japan, is a robust excavator powered by a Cummins Q6 15 diesel engine, delivering a formidable 328 kilowatts at 1800 RPM. This heavy-duty machinery, weighing approximately 50 tons, is enhanced with sophisticated hydraulic systems for amplified strength and efficiency, enabling a maximum lifting height of 5.3 meters, even in the most challenging environmental conditions. The ETF mining dump truck, renowned for its exceptional four-wheel drive and state-of-the-art suspension, excels in converting rugged, hilly landscapes into navigable paths. Its remarkable power and dependability have not only captivated professionals in the transportation industry, but also surpassed numerous benchmarks, thereby cementing its status as a distinguished and unparalleled asset in the industrial and transportation sectors. The LeBounty MSD series stands at the forefront of the demolition and scrap metal industry, epitomizing advancements in construction technology with its modern design and superior features. Engineered for optimal efficiency, durability, and user safety, this machine excels in the effortless demolition and precise cutting of metal and concrete structures. Its fast, accurate cutting capabilities significantly streamline the demolition process, reducing both time and effort required for such tasks. In the United States, tomatoes are a vital food source, and to optimize their harvesting, farmers employ autonomous, self-propelled tomato harvesters. These machines are meticulously engineered to delicately handle soft and thin-skinned produce like tomatoes, ensuring minimal damage during collection. Once harvested, the tomatoes are transported to a processing plant for further processing and canning. The shake-and-catch harvesting method, an innovative approach developed by German experts for red apple collection, involves mechanically shaking the trees to dislodge the fruit and catching them directly. This technique emerges as a highly efficient alternative to manual picking, especially during the peak ripening season, when manually harvesting millions of apples becomes impractical. It significantly boosts productivity and efficiency in apple harvesting. Amidst escalating food demand, the adoption of the closed livestock and poultry farming model is gaining momentum. This approach integrates advanced technologies such as premium quality feed, air conditioning systems, and automated breeding and care processes, enhancing productivity while curtailing production costs. Additionally, rigorous disease control measures and the judicious use of safe drugs and vaccines play a pivotal role in augmenting poultry survival rates and minimizing mortality. Post-harvest, farmers utilize the Camper Trekker web machine to process cornfields for livestock feed. This machine, equipped with a 20-meter wide cutting blade, can simultaneously slice through 20 rows of corn, exemplifying remarkable efficiency in large-scale agricultural operations. The T-Rex RH-170 stands as a behemoth in the realm of excavation, renowned for its sheer size and potency. This colossal digger, tipping the scales at hundreds of tons and towering several meters high, excels in effortlessly digging and loading substantial materials. Its large wheels endow it with the versatility to navigate diverse terrains, from rugged hills to expansive sandy beaches. A notable feature of the T-Rex RH-170 is its interchangeable excavator and loader components, enabling versatile material handling within a single project, enhanced with advanced safety systems to safeguard nearby workers. The T-Rex RH-170 is a critical asset in global infrastructure development and resource extraction, underscoring its indispensable role in the industry. the sphere of potato harvesting, the Rope A to WD stands out as a premier harvester, engineered to significantly elevate both efficiency and productivity. This harvester, distinguished by its advanced technology and superior design, incorporates a sizable fan and an intelligent operating system. The Rope A Killer 2WD excels in effectively separating and cleansing potatoes, thereby minimizing waste and maximizing yield. Its anti-vibration mechanism ensures stable operation, concurrently reducing wear and tear and enhancing its longevity and performance. The Vault Tray 8950, a high-performance tractor, has proven its mettle in the agricultural sector, particularly during the 2023 sugar beet harvest season. Excelling in cutting and organizing turnip tops for collection, the Vaulter 8950 has garnered acclaim for its robust performance and efficiency. A notable aspect of this tractor is its fuel management system, which has significantly enhanced work efficiency, resource conservation, and overall productivity during the harvest. Furthermore, the Ultra 8950 is adept at operating in challenging terrains, ensuring seamless and precise cutting and aligning of turnip tops, even on uneven ground. At Maleka Dairy, corn silage is an essential component of livestock nutrition, offering a nutrient-dense and easily digestible food source obtained through the fermentation of corn in a sealed environment. This feed is pivotal in providing the requisite energy and protein for animal growth and activity, while the inherent vitamins and minerals bolster immunity and general health. Utilizing corn silage not only cuts down on costs, but also enriches dietary diversity, which is crucial for the efficient development and productivity of the livestock. Fatech has just introduced some of the most popular machines. Which machine do you like the most? Please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for our next episode.